Hey guys, it's Tomotoda. Me and my husband just came back from a trip to San Jose yesterday. We went to go check out Crunchyroll Expo and stayed for an extra few more days just to see friends and, hang out with people. But when I came back home, I realized I won't be able to get my original content out on time as I planned. Which, to be honest, when am I ever on time? But I did finish filming, so I thought I could. It's just that I haven't started editing, and I'm really slow at editing, especially because my laptop doesn't process things very quickly anymore. It's like the bottleneck of my channel. I can film a lot of content, but I can't edit it fast enough. So anyways, as filler content, I thought I'd do a super quick video. Not the video itself, the content might be a little bit long, but the editing part, I'm gonna try and zoom it so I can get this up and there's not a huge gap until my next video. So as I do whenever I go to California, I went on a Daiso shopping spree, and their selection of stuff right now is fucking fire in my opinion. But in this video, I just want to show you guys the things I bought specifically for my Artist Alley table setup because they make me very excited and I can't wait to use them. So I'm going to film on my kitchen floor, hope you guys don't mind. But the first item I want to show you guys is this paper cutter. I already have one of these from Daiso that I bought before. This is the old one that I think I bought in 2018 maybe, and it still works perfectly fine. It's been very handy, especially because the size isn't a full one. It's a half mini size, so I could just pack it for the convention. But I just kind of wanted to upgrade to a prettier one because I really like this color of blue. But I'm gonna keep the gray one as an emergency backup just in case. I do have high hopes that this will last me a long time as well. Next thing are masks. I know I bought so many. They're Rilakkuma and Sumiko, and how can you pass this up, okay? These are the reusable ones. Conventions still require masks, by the way, so I want really kawaii ones for when I face my customers. And then when I'm home or around the neighborhood, I'm just gonna wear the ugly ones. These are the disposable one-time use. It's a little bit pricey because it's $5.25 for a 4-piece, but I am paying for the cuteness. And then I bought a little, who is this? Tuxedo Sam pouch for quarters and coins, cause why not? I bought this stapler. My other one broke anyways, but what appealed to me about this stapler was that you can switch it from horizontal to vertical, because if you know, I make those little booklets for conventions to write down my pricing and stuff. Okay, so here's my booklet from LouisvilleCon, and I just used I don't know what these are, paper clips to clip them because I couldn't get it to staple in the middle like a booklet. Well, actually, it was a mini stapler that I had. So typically when you staple, you go through this way. And if it doesn't reach, what the fuck am I supposed to do? So let me read the instructions really quick first. So here's the back. It says saddle stitching, whatever that is. And then you can staple paper boxes. That's a little crazy. Maybe I'll have to test that out. And then the last one says for cylindrical, so, you just, ouch. Do that, but careful not to pinch yourself in between. Okay, sweet. Okay, let's try this out. Perfect. Let's try the middle. Whoa. Okay, last one. Whoa. You guys see this shit? Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my gosh. OMG. Freaking awesome. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I don't have boxes since we just threw everything in the recycle bin, but I have cardboard paper. They're not like super thick, but they are, you know, thicker cardboard. I think a regular stapler can probably staple 2 layers. Yeah, let's try 3. Oh, yo, it stapled 3. Very strong. And let's see if we can do 4. So by 4, it's like about this thick. Yo, it stapled 4. It's not even a half-ass stapled. It's stapled all the way through. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, sometimes when I staple, I have a hard time like getting it pressed down, or maybe with the older staplers. But this is actually very easy. It makes it very smooth, and I don't have to use a lot of strength. I think this was a great buy. Next I have are these Hello Kitty fingertip grip ring. Daiso right now has a lot of Sanrio San X stuff. When I use plastic bags, sometimes they're a little bit hard to open. Oh, these are actually really easy to open. Okay, maybe my fingers are moist or something, because these are actually pretty easy to open for me right now as well. But typically at the convention, these plastic bags are really hard to open. So obviously I can't spit on my fingers and open them. I've resorted to like having a wet wipe, and I just like dip my finger in the wet wipe to, you know, shimmy them open. But I thought maybe I can like wear these to help me out. So there's 3 in this one, and they're like full fingered. Dirty minds. There's no English, so I'm not sure what the graph is trying to tell me. But this one has 4, and it's like a ring. Like, yes, I see there's a heart. This one I'll use on my thumb. So I have really small fingers. I have child hands, basically. So I'm gonna use this on my thumb. It fits really well. It actually, because it's silicone and the grip is really good, it's not like too loose, I would say, but I do foresee it slipping out. Hello. Anyways, let me try. Dun, dun, dun. Yep. Let me remove this and put the ring on. I think maybe the ring one is a little bit smaller in size. Yeah, the ring is a little bit tinier in size because I can feel it constricting the blood flow of my thumb. Excellent, it works. Great. Yeah, so just having it on one finger won't work very well. I would need it on both fingers. And I also assume that maybe it might help with like counting money if you have grip. I also bought little tiny knives so that they're smaller to carry around, because I typically bring my crafting X-Acto knife, which is really shitty to begin with. So I don't need these to be like super good, just for emergencies. And they are very, very small. They're pretty small. Let's see. They are about 3 inches tall. When a guy says, "I'm a grower, not a shower." There's also a little like loop thing if you want to put it on as a keychain and dangle it around. Now I want to show you guys the like hooks and stuff that I bought for the grid displays. Here's my typical grid display, and here is like a pencil case type, so that I can just hang it. Then there are these mint colored ones. As you can see, there's 3 of them inside. They're not priced all together. These are individually priced. But I bought all 3. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Very cute for display. I'll find something to put in here. And then I bought hooks. Yeah, I bought these hooks just for like the lanyards or the mask chains. The reason why I like these is because the loop isn't very wide. Because some of them, like for the door hangers, they're very wide because they have to fit the wood, right? But these are narrow, so I won't have a lot of issues when I hang them on the wire grid. And on top of that, because they're long, if they're short, the hooks will typically like swing back and forth inside the hole. But since they're longer, they're not gonna move anywhere. I also bought them in white, individual, just in case I have extra things that I need to hook on for whatever reason. They also have this part that's supposed to latch onto the grid, but I'm not sure if it'll like fit on the grid because some of my grids from different companies, the squares are slightly larger or slightly smaller. I just needed it to do that basically. And if you can see, it's a little bit short, so it won't actually fit in there. But if I do that, yeah, it's actually not gonna clip in, but it's fine. I just needed a hook, and I just needed to not wobble through the other direction. So next are the acrylics. Daiso had, or this Daiso specifically in San Jose, had a lot of like acrylic stuff. I only bought the stuff that I think I might need. So here are like postcard curved stands. If you can see, the frame is curved. It's not straight. So pretend like you, actually this angle might be good. You're a customer looking at my table and the typical frame will look like this. So this won't grab your attention. However, if it's curved, it actually like, you can actually see it. I don't know if that makes sense. But that's why I bought these, because of the curved aspect. And then, I don't know, I just thought this might come in handy. Like, maybe I can put some business cards in here, even though I probably won't. And I don't know, I just thought it'd come in handy, okay? These have 5 different segments. I wanted to possibly put stickers in there. Something like this, maybe. It's a thought. And then I got this one. It's not a sectional, it's like stairs, but they're leaned against each other. So maybe for like my notebooks, I can display them like this. Yeah, I kind of like that. Oh yeah, I actually really like that. Although I can only display 3 at a time, it's really cute. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use it for. And then for the last one, this acrylic has hooks on it. So obviously I'm going to use it for my grid panels, if I can figure out how to fucking open this shit. So it has clear hooks. Hopefully it can fit inside. No! Then I'll have to use it for a top portion. No! It doesn't fit. Oh, this one was a bit of a fail. It's okay. I'll figure out what to use for this eventually. Maybe I'll use it for personal use. That is everything from Daiso. Yeah, that's it for my haul. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll have the next video out soon. And I love you guys. Bye-bye.